Nothing I'm mentioning in this video is sponsored. So we decided on the type of hitch that we wanted for the truck. We did really consider the gooseneck, and I don't think we're quite ready for that yet, mostly because we don't have a proper backup camera in the bed of the truck yet to be able to line the ball up perfectly with hitch, and it requires changing out the pin on the RV, and we're just not gonna have time for that. So we talked with our rep who sold us the RV at the Hershey show. We also talked with the B&W Hitch guys. We need info from that and the rep for the hitch we ended up getting. And we also spoke with the local trailer shop that we've bought a couple trailers from already, cargo trailers, and what they thought of the hitch that we ended up getting. And we ended up going with the pull right. And the reason being, we're both new to a fifth wheel. And because of that, we chose the pull right hitch. It has a disc in it that this extremely heavy thing attaches to the pin. What's cool is the pin box part goes right through here. So this actually attaches to the RV pin box. And then it has this ball right here that you can be anywhere within the disc in the actual hitch and it will find it. That makes backing up to the RV, getting the ball to connect with the hitch a lot easier. We did use the B&W under the bed. That was highly recommended both by Pull Right and by everyone we spoke to. But we ended up not going with the companion partly because of the weight. We're trying to shed weight everywhere possible because the business that we're taking on the road has a lot of weight in inventory. So the more weight that we can attribute to that, the better for our livelihood. So that is why we ended up going with Pull Right hitch. Now, one of the cool things about the guys over at Breckville Trailers is he was not familiar with the Pull Right and wanted to make sure that we got a good hitch for our needs. So he went out of his own way to do some research for us.
And you have the bed rails.
So bed liner, 3 pieces. We have everything here, and then the front seat, and then all of this is the bed thing, and then the 2 boxes are for
The B&W.
the B&W.
I'll get it in the shop and get you an estimate pulled together on it.
Okay.
I don't think it looks too difficult.
Awesome. And what was cool is when we went to pick it up and it was all installed and it all looks great, he actually said, I want one of these for my own fifth wheel because it's so much easier to back up and hitch up. We also wanted to have a bed liner, and we looked at spray liners, and I know some people who have them, and they said for what we're doing it's not necessarily recommended because they could scratch off pretty easily, especially with the wear and tear we're going to be putting on them. So I did a lot of research and I ended up with the bed rug. I will link everything I've mentioned in the video, the B&W hitch installer that goes underneath the truck bed, and the Pull Right hitch, as well as the bed rug that we got, and I'll link all of that information in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. And we're also not sponsored by Grand Design. Even though I'm sporting the Grand Design merch today.